Good day, I'm Theodore Henry and this is your JIS News for Thursday, November 24. Jamaica's tourism resort boards are to be restructured to focus on the appointment of persons with appropriate skills to ensure the sustainable management of the destinations. The announcement was made by the Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett, at a recent Trelawney Chamber of Commerce luncheon in Falmouth. He said that under the new direction, the bodies would be called Destination Assurance Boards.
Resort boards, as you know, have been the creature of the minister, where people are appointed on the basis of stakeholdership arrangements as well as general interest in the development of communities. The new structure that we are putting in place will take note of that, but it will take note of specific skill sets that are required to sustain the destination.
Going forward, he says the Minister of Tourism will only appoint the chairman for these bodies.
We want to take out any resemblance or semblance of political intrusion in these boards. They are going to be technical in nature and be responsive to the needs of the communities that they are in the interest of sustainable development.
Among other things, the Destination Assurance Boards will be mandated to ensure that operators in the sector are duly licensed and that the quality and standards of the industry are maintained. The minister says a Destination Assurance Manager will be appointed during the first quarter of 2017, and that person will work closely with the boards. About 1,000 residents of Pennant Clarendon will soon benefit from a centralized catchment and disbursement area for water. Ground was broken on Wednesday for the construction of a water shop. The work is to start in the next 3 months. Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Desmond McKenzie, says the water shop will supply the precious liquid for both domestic and agriculture usage.
What we are doing today is to start a process to eliminate once and for all the degrading experience of our citizens who on a daily basis have to use any means at their disposal to obtain water.
Minister McKenzie says 8 1,000-gallon water tanks will be installed at the facility with a container that will be used as an administrative office.
We're not going to put it down and after 2 days the tanks are empty. There will be a steady supply of water coming to the tanks. So we're going to be repairing the roads, putting in the infrastructure, and hopefully after that is done, it will provide easier access to you for water.
The local government minister says residents will access water free of cost for the first 3 months after completion of the water shop. The facility will be used as a pilot project for similar interventions across the island. 510 young people with business ideas or startup businesses are to benefit from an agri-entrepreneurship boot camp. The training will be carried out under the Rural Youth Economic Empowerment Program, RYEEP, which was launched on Tuesday.
We will be taking the first set of 170 youngsters drawn from 13 parishes from rural Jamaica, and we will take them through an entrepreneurial program. And we are going to be having the finest people in this country who will be providing them with that cradling, so we will get them over the challenging part of business development. Once they have demonstrated a readiness for business, the Jamaica 4-H clubs will provide them with the venture inputs to start their own businesses.
The $60 million program is funded by the Development Bank of Jamaica, the National Youth Service, and the Jamaica 4-H clubs. It will run for 3 years. As part of an initiative to promote academic excellence among young people, the Technology Ministry has provided tablets to several outstanding students of ministry staff members. The presentation, which was made at the ministry yesterday, was facilitated through the Universal Service Fund. Permanent Secretary Hilary Alexander says the goal is to award the young people for their hard work and encourage them to continue doing well. Her sentiments were echoed by the Portfolio Minister, Dr. Andrew Wheatley. He said the initiative was also in keeping with government's policy of developing a knowledge-based society.
A knowledge-based society doesn't mean that you have to be in the ICT profession, but utilizing ICT in a number of different spheres, in psychology, for example, meteorology. It is ensuring that as a people we are incorporating the available technologies.
And finally, 50 pregnant women registered at the Gordon Town Health Center have received 3 months' supply of milk under the Milk for Mothers program. The presentation was made at the health center yesterday. The Milk for Mothers program is administered by the Jamaica Dairy Development Board, JDDB, in partnership with Surge Island Dairies, Edwards Dairies, and Jamaica Beverages Limited. Mothers under the program will receive 1.5 liters of milk per week over a 12-week period. JDDB Vice Chairman Dr. Sophia Ramlal says 500 pregnant women island-wide will benefit from the program this year.
We'll try to take this forward to after the baby is born, which is when your nutritional needs are the greatest. We've been doing this program around the island. We launched it in June, on June 1, in June of this year. We've gone to other parishes. We're trying to ensure that at least one health center, one clinic in each parish, mothers who are registered there can benefit from this program.
Member of Parliament for East Rural St. Andrew, Juliet Holness, thanked the Dairy Development Board and their partners for the donation while pointing to the importance of milk in a pregnant woman's diet.
Milk is one of the primary products that helps to put back proper protein in the body, particularly while you are pregnant and when you're in the process of needing to breastfeed, where the baby is pulling on your nutrients and your resources as a mother.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.